A child bike seat is a must-have for active parents, seamlessly transforming ordinary bike rides into shared adventures, fostering a love for the outdoors and instilling a sense of exploration in the little ones. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. If you consider the quality, features, and values, we're narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best child bike seats. The 5th product on this list is the Schwinn Deluxe. If you're searching for the perfect child bike seat that combines safety, comfort, and ease of installation, the Schwinn Deluxe is your ideal choice. With its straightforward setup, you can say goodbye to complicated installations and enjoy effortless family rides. This child bike seat is crafted for compatibility, fitting seat post diameters from 0.98 to 1.26 inches. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver and adjustable wrench to mount this gem on your bike frame quickly. It's a great fit for most adult bicycles, allowing you to easily hit the road with your little one. Safety is paramount, and the Schwinn Deluxe is your ally for worry-free rides. It's suitable for children aged 1 year and older, supporting a weight limit of up to 40 pounds, ensuring your child is securely seated. The quick-release 3-point harness, leg restraints, and padded crossbar provide added security, letting you focus on creating memorable experiences. In summary, the Schwinn Deluxe child bike seat isn't just a seat. It's a gateway to countless family adventures, offering easy installation, exceptional safety features, adjustable comfort, and a stylish design. Its pros are, it features adjustable footwells and a removable headrest to ensure a custom fit as your little rider sprouts up. Its custom comfort padding supports their back, and the air-cushioned pad lining the seat takes the comfort game up a notch. And it's crafted with lightweight polypropylene construction, striking the perfect balance between durability and ease of use. However, it might not fit onto the rear of all bikes or bicycles, restricting parents with the choice of bikes. The Schwinn Deluxe child bike seat transforms little co-pilots into adventure enthusiasts, offering a front row seat to the world with safety and comfort in tow. Up next in 4th place is the Bobike Go. If you're searching for a child bike seat that embodies durability, ease of use, and enhanced protection, the Bobike Go is an excellent choice. This seat is available in both rear rack and frame mount options, catering to the international market with its highly adaptable mounting bracket. Its robust construction and family-friendly price make it a top choice for durability without straining your budget. The Bobike Go, weighing just 7 pounds, demonstrates that lightweight design doesn't compromise safety. It features a double wall shell and extended head protection, ensuring worry-free rides. The tool-free adjustments allow for easy customization, providing comfort for your child without additional expenses. Additionally, this seat is available in 5 trendy pastel colors: yellow, white, mint green, pink, and dark gray, offering both safety and style. In summary, the Bobike Go is an ideal option for older toddlers and preschoolers starting from 2.5 years old. It combines durability, ease of use, and extended protection, making it a perfect companion for your family's biking adventures. Its pros are, it features a 3-point harness with adjustable shoulder straps ensuring a snug fit for your growing explorer. It boasts an extended head shield that not only protects your little one but also provides a cozy spot for a nap if the adventure gets too dreamy. And it features the Bobike Go Plus helmet, the perfect companion to your Bobike Go seat. However, its shoulder straps might be too long for your young or small kids. The Bobike Go is the perfect sidekick for your growing explorer. Get ready to ride into a world of fun and safety with the Bobike Go, because every adventure deserves the best. Still haven't found a child bike seat that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Burley Dash. Get ready to discover the Burley Dash, a child bike seat that masterfully blends ease of use, safety, and comfort. The rack mount connection is a standout feature, offering tool-free, hassle-free attachment to a rear bike rack. It's a smooth and simple setup that's ready for action right away. This seat's versatility shines as it connects effortlessly to most standard rear bike racks, making it a perfect addition to any cycling journey, whether it's in the city or on off-road trails. The Burley Dash is built for longevity and adaptability. It features an adjustable 5-point harness, comfortably securing children up to 40 pounds. Moreover, the adjustable footrests with security straps accommodate your child's growth, providing a custom-fit feel for every ride. So gear up for unforgettable family adventures with the Burley Dash. It's designed to make every family ride safe, enjoyable, and memorable. Its pros are: it comes with removable water-resistant seat padding that's a breeze to clean. It features a lightweight design that ensures smooth, stable, and easy pedaling. And it comes equipped with an integrated rear reflector, ensuring you and your precious cargo are visible even in low-light conditions. However, its foot straps might be a little challenging to secure, especially if your child moves a lot. The Burley Dash, with its tool-free rack mount, adjustable features, easy cleanup, and a focus on comfort and safety, is the perfect companion for your cycling escapades. The second product on this list is the Hamax Caress. Let's delve into the Hamax Caress, a rear child bike seat that perfectly blends ultimate comfort and security, transforming every ride into a remarkable experience. This product stands out as the only rear child bike seat that allows one-handed adjustment of all of its features. With one hand on the bike for stability and safety, you can easily adjust the child-proof safety buckle, straps, recline, backrest, footrests, and foot straps. It's incredibly convenient. The Hamax Caress grows with your child, accommodating those from 9 months, once they can independently hold up their head, to around 6 years of age, supporting a weight of up to 48.5 pounds. The adjustable backrest, non-slip rubber padded shoulder straps, and 10 height options for the footrests ensure a comfortable and secure fit throughout your child's growth. Moreover, this child bike seat is highly acclaimed, having been awarded the Best in Test honor by Dutch consumers for its comfort, effective suspension, adjustability, and safety features. Don't miss the chance to enhance your family rides with the Hamax Caress, where comfort and adventure unite. Its pros are: it reclines smoothly anywhere between 0 to 20 degrees with a simple twist of the dial. It features a sleek double-shell construction with a helmet recess area, allowing your child's head to sit comfortably without being pushed forward. And it's lined with soft, easy-to-clean padding for an extra layer of comfort. However, its frame bracket mounting option is not compatible with all bikes. The Hamax Caress child bike seat is a royal chariot for young riders, combining plush comfort and safety features fit for conquering the neighborhood on 2 wheels. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the best child bike seat is the Thule RideAlong. Embark on a journey filled with comfort, safety, and boundless fun with the Thule RideAlong, the rear mount child bike seat designed to enhance your daily commutes and family adventures. This child bike seat revolutionizes convenience with its universal quick-release bracket, enabling you to mount or dismount in mere seconds. It's a game-changer for busy parents and excited little adventurers, eliminating any fumbling and ensuring a quick, ready-to-go setup. Versatility is a crucial aspect, and this seat excels in that regard. It's compatible with most frames, including both round and oval frames, offering a custom-fit appearance and ensuring a secure, stylish integration with your bike. The Thule RideAlong also takes care of nap time during rides. It features a one-handed reclining seat with 5 position options, up to 20 degrees, allowing your child to comfortably snooze while you pedal. This feature is a boon for little ones who need a nap on the go. Overall, the Thule RideAlong is more than just a child bike seat. It's a gateway to unforgettable family adventures. With its rapid installation, adaptable features, safety enhancements, and easy maintenance, it stands as an ideal companion for all your cycling journeys. Its pros are: it features an adjustable 3-point harness that ensures not only safety, but also the perfect fit for your little rider. It has a shock-absorbing suspension system that guarantees a smooth and comfortable journey for your little one. It features a child-proof safety buckle with a large button for effortless and secure fastening, and it has built-in reflector and safety light attachment point to enhance visibility, ensuring you and your little one shine bright even in low-light conditions. However, kids can easily remove their feet from the foot straps. The Thule RideAlong child bike seat is the VIP pass for adventurous tykes, granting them front-row access to the thrill of the ride with a first-class blend of safety and style. Ideal for parents who believe every pedal-powered journey should be a red carpet adventure for the mini explorers. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.